Intermittent fasting has gained significant popularity as a weight loss and health improvement strategy in recent years. It's not just another diet fad, but rather an eating pattern that has been recognized for its potential to burn fat effectively. Unlike traditional diets that dictate what you can or cannot eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat. One of the key reasons behind intermittent fasting's popularity is its simplicity. It doesn't require complex meal plans or counting calories. Instead, it revolves around the concept of time-restricted eating. By limiting the hours in which you consume food, intermittent fasting harnesses your body's natural rhythms to enhance fat burning. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and continue this video by typing "I am healthy" in the comments below. Intermittent fasting essentially involves breaking your day or week into specific eating and fasting periods. During the fasting periods, you abstain from consuming any calories, including food. However, you can still hydrate yourself with water, tea, or black coffee. It's important to note that intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and there are several popular eating patterns within intermittent fasting. The most common intermittent fasting methods include the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and the 5 seconds method, which involves eating normally for 5 days and restricting calorie intake on the other 2 days. Additionally, there's the Eat, Stop, Eat approach, where you fast for a full 24 hours once or twice a week, the alternate day fasting technique, where you alternate between fasting and regular eating days, and the warrior diet, where you fast for most of the day and have one substantial meal in the evening. Our bodies are accustomed to regular eating patterns, with meals like breakfast, lunch, and dinner being deeply ingrained in our daily routines. However, when you embrace intermittent fasting and enter the fasting period, your body undergoes a shift in energy utilization. Instead of relying on immediate food intake for energy, it taps into stored fat reserves for fuel. During the initial stages of intermittent fasting, it's not uncommon to experience side effects such as hunger, weakness, mood swings, and even occasional dizziness. These sensations are your body's way of adapting to the new eating pattern. Importantly, these side effects tend to diminish as your body adjusts to intermittent fasting, making the journey more manageable. Intermittent fasting isn't just about shedding pounds. It offers a range of health benefits. Research suggests that intermittent fasting can aid in preventing type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and promoting heart health by reducing risk factors like high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Additionally, it may have potential cancer prevention benefits and has been linked to improved brain function. One of the standout advantages of intermittent fasting is its simplicity. By restricting eating to specific windows of time, it simplifies meal planning and preparation, saving both money and time. It encourages the consumption of whole, unprocessed foods during eating periods, which can contribute to overall health improvements. While intermittent fasting can be beneficial for many individuals, it's not suitable for everyone. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on an intermittent fasting journey, especially if you have underlying health conditions such as diabetes, low blood pressure, or a history of eating disorders. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals, as well as children and teens, should also exercise caution and consider alternative approaches to weight management. During eating periods, it's imperative to prioritize proper nutrition. Intermittent fasting is not an excuse to indulge in unhealthy foods during your allotted eating window. Instead, it should encourage the consumption of balanced and nourishing meals to support your overall well-being. Engaging in physical activity while practicing intermittent fasting is possible and safe, but it's advisable to adapt gradually to this combination. As your body adjusts to the fasting period, it may be challenging to maintain the same exercise intensity initially. However, once you've acclimated to intermittent fasting, you can continue or even enhance your workout routine. Consulting a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise regimen, particularly in conjunction with intermittent fasting, is wise. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific needs and health status, ensuring a safe and effective approach to physical activity within the context of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting offers a flexible and effective approach to weight management and overall health improvement. It capitalizes on your body's natural mechanisms to burn fat and has garnered popularity for its simplicity and potential health benefits. However, it's essential to remember that intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone, and consultation with a healthcare provider is crucial before embarking on this journey. Weight loss and health improvement are highly individual, and various approaches exist beyond intermittent fasting. Finding the right strategy for you is key to long-term success. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences with intermittent fasting and explore the diverse world of weight loss and health improvement programs. Remember that there's no one-size-fits-all solution, and the path to a healthier you is a personal journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness.